Hey, this is Louis. Today we're going to be installing our Takeda Turbo inlet pipe on this 2023 Kia K5 2.5 liter turbo. If you want to unlock the full potential of your Takeda intake system, we now offer the Takeda Turbo inlet pipe that increases airflow and horsepower. I want to make a note that this will only work on our Takeda Cold Air Intake system. In order to get access to our turbo inlet, we want to remove our Takeda tube, and by doing that we got to disconnect our two fittings up here. There's one down below. And then we want to loosen the two clamps on each end of the tube. Now that our clamps are loosened and everything's disconnected, we're going to go ahead and remove our intake tube. So our first step is going to be to remove the engine cover so we could access this hose and remove the spring clamp. So with long needle nose, we want to do is squeeze the clamp and pull back. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and pull back on the hose, and it should look something like that. Our next step is going to be loosening up the two screws holding down our turbo inlet pipe. There's one down here and one up here. It's going to be a 10mm socket. And just be very careful not to drop these screws. There is also an O-ring on here, so when you remove this pipe, make sure you do not drop the O-ring. Okay, so O-ring's still in place, so we can leave that there for now. Before we install this into the vehicle, we want to double check that our fittings are tight. These are pre-installed, but you always want to double check that everything's tight. We're going to grab an 11/16 wrench to make sure this fitting's fully tight. And it needs to only be snug. It will not go all the way to the bottom, so that gap you see there is fine. And now we're going to take a 3/16 Allen and make sure our screw is fully tight. And same thing with this, it doesn't need to fit flush, just snug, and a little bit should stick out. All right, before we install our adapter, we want to make sure that our O-ring's in. Once it's in, what I like to do is I install a bolt and I try to line myself up right here on the top one. Get a few threads going in there. Once that's in, I'm going to go ahead and now slide in the second bolt at the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and snug these screws up by hand. Same with the bottom. And now I'm going to tighten them up evenly, top to bottom. All right, now we're going to reconnect our hose. Grab our needle nose pliers. Now we're going to install our silicone coupler onto our adapter here. We're going to first pre-install our clamp. Then what we want to do is we're going to line ourselves up on this notch to our adapter there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and insert it, and just like that. Now we're going to use our 8mm nut driver to tighten up this clamp here, and we're good. Now we're going to reinstall our Takeda tube. We won't need the old coupler, so go ahead and remove that. And let's install it. All right, we're first going to slide it into the coupler, rotate it onto our filter. Going to reconnect all of our lines and tighten up all our clamps. Our last step is going to be to reinstall our engine cover. Our installation's not complete. Thank you guys for watching.